has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montague County in north-central Texas, eastern Wise County in north-central Texas, western Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, southwestern Cooke County in north-central Texas, until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pecan Acres, or near Eagle Mountain, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Saginaw, Hazel, Decatur, Eagle Mountain, Briar, Pecan Acres, Pelican Bay, Haslett, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Lindsay, Freshburg, Rome, Ponder, and Newark. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.